Ryan's channel. Today, but first we're gonna do paintings first. So we got black and gray and red and blue and yellow. We're gonna make an airplane today. Okay, let's take the paint out now. So now we gotta use something. Oh my god, the paint is on me. What are we gonna do now? There is some paper wipes. You got it? So now there's paper wipes over there. Like this? That doesn't work. Done! Now let's do like this.
Yeah.
Not to work so hard, right, Dave?
The other way.
Now let's screw it up. Cái búa nè. Cái búa không?
Yeah, we'll hold it first.
Chưa có bắn gì của một con nè. Cái này không? Có phải không?
You have to push it in
Yeah, like that. And now I'm going to screw it. There you
because
go.
there is a giant hole over there, Dave.
Cái này nó nằm
See,
thẳng,
you got
nó
it.
nằm thẳng xuống. Cái này nè.
That's how you do it.
This is my airplane.
Bóng dậy vô đầu, giờ có cái này.
Back to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Look at airplane fly. But don't touch this. Because this is, you painted right? It's dry in the top. You only touch from here, back. This is how it flies. All the way to the top, and when it turns like this, and like this.